It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Jordan 3 Retro Neapolitan Dark Mocha. Yeah, I like that. I like that. These are nice. These are clean. They clean, y'all. I don't know how in the hell I missed these, man. 2 years ago, I believe that's when these dropped. And I was introduced to these by my son. My oldest son, his B-Day tomorrow. And a week ago, I said, son, what you want for your birthday? He said, I want some shoes. I said, what shoes you want? But I went to StockX, showed me these, and I was like, man, these are dope. But on StockX, they was going for like his size. He was size 10 and a half. That's size 12 in women. This is a women's shoe. They was going for like $285, and I wasn't gonna pay that because with the fees, the taxes, it was gonna be way over $3. So the highest bid for his size was $185. I put a bid in $200, and 15 minutes later, my bid was accepted. So now we here in person. These shoes are dope. It would have been nice if they would have had some extra shoelaces. Let me look in there, make sure. Nah, no extra shoelaces. Like pink, this color right here, that mocha color. But nah, man, no extra shoelaces, man. So the last Neapolitans I bought was the Neapolitan 11. They came out last year. I don't know, I think it was November. And I have to say, these look way better than those. I bought those for my nieces. And they aight, but these right here, they fire. Looking at that tongue, you have a pink Jumpman right there. You also got your hint of pink right here on the back heel area, okay? What else we got going on? What else we have going on? For some reason, look like this lace eyelet right there, a different color. I don't know. Look like a different color, but it is what it is. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, you have your ice cream pink, your brown. I want some ice cream right now, y'all. And one more thing, you got your StockX tag right here, and you have this right here. I'll never take this off. See that Jumpman tag? Look at that, that's clean, man. That is clean. And you have a shoe tree in here too. That's pretty cool. Oh, shoe tree. And looking at the insole, is it pink? Yeah, insole pink. Look at that. Yeah, man, so these shoes are dope, man. I don't want to spend too much time on this video, but yeah, my son B-Day tomorrow, and the boy is excited about these shoes, man. He can't wait to rock these when he go to school. He just probably got to, get his, I don't know how his outfit look when he got to go with these, but I'm pretty sure when he step out, the boy gonna be on fleek. I guarantee it. So, what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.